Hello students. So today I will discuss about number system of class 7. The subject is computer. So in my previous class I will discuss binary addition and how to convert from one number system to another number system. So today I will discuss binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication and binary division. So first of all I will discuss about binary addition. What are the rule or law to add two digits or in binary number system? Suppose two bits are there, A and B. If one bits are there, here is only two combination, that means either it is 0 or 1, and if two digits are there, it can be 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So the combinations are depend on 2 to the power. 2 to the power 0 means 1, 2 to the power 1 means 2, 2 to the power 2 means 4. So if we take one input, that means A. So overall combinations are 2, that means either 0 or 1. If we take two values, that means A and B. So the number of combinations are 4, that means 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So in 2-bit addition, according to the binary addition, if we add 2-bit numbers, we will find sum capital S, suppose, and carry CY. So first of all we add 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0 means 0 sum 0 carry. 0 plus 1, that means 0 plus 1, 1 sum, no carry is there. So sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0, again 1 plus 0, 1 sum, no carry, that means 1 sum 0 carry. And 1 plus 1, if we add 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, if we add 1 plus 1, that means 1 plus 1 means in decimal it is 2. The binary of 2 is 1 0. So we say that 1 plus 1 means 0 carry 1 according to the decimal number system. If we add 1 plus 1 in decimal number system, that means it's 2. If we convert the particular 2 in binary number system, the output is 1 0. So if we add 1 plus 1, that means the result sum is 0 and carry is 1. So sum 0 and carry 1. This is the rule of binary addition. Suppose we add 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 using binary addition. That means 1 plus 1 means 0 and 1 carry. Because of we know that 1 plus 1, that means 0 sum 1 carry. So 0 sum and 1 carry. Here is carry bit. 1 carry. So 1 plus 0 means 1, 1 plus 0 means 1, that means 1. 1 plus 1 means 0, again 1 carry. Here 1 plus 1 means, we know that 1 plus 1 means 10 and plus 1, that means 11. Clear everyone? This is the actual output of binary addition according to the example 1101 and 1101. If we add 1101 and 1101, the output is 11010. That means 110 carry 1. That means 101 101. 110 carry 1. 1110 10 plus 1 11 11. So this is the sum and this one is carry 1. This is the overall process of binary addition. Clear everyone? And the next topic is binary subtraction. So in binary subtraction, the rule is binary subtraction. Suppose in binary subtraction 2 digits are there, A and B. So 4 combinations are there, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So we will find output different, capital D, and borrow, small bw. And borrow small dw. So in 2 digits the number of combinations are 2 to the power 2, that means 4 combinations. 2 digits are there, that means that's why it is 4 combinations, 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Subtraction using binary number system or binary subtraction, we will find as output one different and one borrow. So the different, suppose we will subtract 0 minus 0, that means 0 is different, 0 borrow. 0 minus 0, that means nothing. So 0 different and 0 borrow. Then next one is 0 minus 1. Next one is 0 minus 1. So if we subtract 0 minus 1, that means 1 borrow 1 different 1 borrow. Because of 0 can be represented as 1 0. Clear? So 0 minus 1, in 0 minus 1, 1 different 1 borrow, and 1 minus 0, if we subtract 1 minus 0, that means 1 different, nothing, no borrow is there, that means 1 minus 0, 1 different and 0 borrow. And 1 minus 1 means 0, so 0 different and 0 borrow. So 0 minus 0, 0 different, 0 borrow, 0 minus 1, 1 different and 1 borrow. This is the actual rule of binary subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0 different, 0 borrow, 1 minus 0, 1 different, 0 borrow, 1 minus 1, 0 different, 0 borrow, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, that means 1 different and 1 borrow. Clear? This is the actual result of binary subtraction. I will discuss binary subtraction with an example. So here is an example of binary subtraction, how to subtract a binary subtraction in binary subtraction. Suppose the example is 1 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 0. If we subtract 1 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 0, the output will 1 minus 0, that means 1. 0 minus 1, that means 1, and BW, here is BW, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 means different one, so different one, and borrow is also 1, so borrow is 1. Borrow should be forwarded. And next 1 1 0, so 1 minus 1 means 0, 0 minus 0 means 0. Clear? 1 minus 1 means 0. 1 minus 1 means 0 and 0 minus 0 means 0 and 1 minus 1 means also 0. So the actual output is 0 0 1 1. This is the actual concept of binary subtraction. If we take one example from your book, the example is suppose here is an example 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 0 0 1 1. So if we subtract the particular number, so 1 minus 1 means 0, no borrow is forwarded. 0 minus 1, that means 1 different, 0 minus 1 means 0, 1 different and 1 borrow, so 1 different and 1 borrow. 1 minus 1 means 0, 0 minus 0 means 0. 1 minus 0, that means 1, and 1 minus 1 means 0. So the output is 0 1 0 1 0. So the output is 0 1 0 1 0. This is the actual concept of binary subtraction. So today I will discuss about only binary addition and binary subtraction. In my next class I will discuss about binary multiplication and binary division. Till then, goodbye.